Now we're live.
Oh, I was ready to do the intro and Drew says, shh.
Let's see if I
It's
can
not
type.
live yet. We were just getting ready to whip up our afternoon smoothie, and then Drew made me go live to show you.
It's true. It's very true.
No, we
That's
wanted
what
to show
happened.
you what we put in our smoothie every day. So the difference between a shake and a smoothie is that a smoothie is blended in a blender and it has all of the nutrients you need of a meal. So it has all the macronutrients. A shake, you just put in a shaker cup with protein powder and milk. So two different things that have two different purposes, but often get interchanged or confused as the same thing. So we are making a smoothie for our afternoon snack. A shake would be more so to get quick nutrients in after a workout, for example, because it's generally just your protein source. A smoothie is more like a meal. So hopefully that helps you out if you're confused or weren't sure what the difference between a shake or a smoothie was. We're making a blueberry nut smoothie. We actually have this as a recipe book, so Drew, maybe after the live you can go and put that recipe up as well.
I certainly can.
So what we are putting in first is, this is for two, for Drew and I. So if you're making it for yourself, you'll probably want to cut the ingredients in half. This is our homemade coconut milk. We just started making our own coconut milk. It's fantastic.
It's amazing.
So
Yeah.
it's so hard to find non-dairy milk that doesn't have a bunch of added ingredients in it. We just never have really been 100% okay, I suppose, or comfortable with the ingredients in non-dairy milk. So we started making our own, which is very easy actually. For the coconut, all you need is unsweetened coconut flakes, water, vanilla, and some maple syrup or honey. That's it. Super easy to make.
Oh
We'll
yeah.
have to show you that on a different live.
Suzanne's in here.
Hey, Suzanne.
Dave's in here too.
Hello, hello. So 2 cups of our homemade almond milk going in. Have a couple little coconut chunks in there as it came out of the fridge. Coconut cream. And then we have 1 cup of kale, frozen kale. And half a cup of blueberries, frozen blueberries. Gonna throw a banana in there. Drew eats 1,000 bananas a day.
It's not true.
Can't keep up with the banana supply around here. Smart monkey.
Violet says, I'm super interested in seeing you make the coconut milk.
Yeah.
This is a smoothie one, Violet.
Well, we could do a coconut milk
Sure.
demo.
Yep.
So easy. So easy. And then usually we put our vanilla protein in, but we're actually out. When we came down here, we didn't pack enough vanilla protein.
But we got some on the way.
We got some on the way, so we'll be adding that again shortly to our smoothies. But what I'm going to do, so that we get enough energy from our smoothie, enough fuel for our body, is I'm going to add 2 fats. Usually we just add 1 fat, and usually we add almond butter, but I'm going to add almond butter and a little bit of avocado. Double the fats, more fuel for us, because we
also
don't
get-
have the protein.
Well, you also get protein in the almond butter.
Yeah.
What is in there? Tell us. The almond butter, what's the protein content? Just curious.
And this?
Yeah.
I don't know.
What would it say on the back?
I'm looking. Give me a time.
Violet says, I'm watching. Gotcha, Violet.
I can't find the protein.
Sounds yummy.
Oh, 7. 7 grams of protein per 2 tablespoons.
Okay. Just curious.
2 tablespoons is kind of a lot, though, isn't
Yeah, you can put one. It's just curious. I'm just curious. Just asking questions. When you guys are buying your nut butters, make sure you read the ingredients.
1 ingredient, almonds. All right. So I'm gonna add a scoop of almond butter. Almond butter.
Dorothy thinks I eat lots of bananas. Dorothy eats peanut butter or almond butter by the bucket.
I'm gonna lick that. Maybe not on camera. And then I just need a knife. I'm gonna add a little bit of avocado. The avocado does make your smoothie a bit thicker. Some people don't enjoy that part, like the thickness, but it doesn't really alter the taste of the. So I'm gonna add a quarter of an avocado, and that's it. That's all. Whip it up, and there's our afternoon meal.
That's Bear if you.
Snack meal. Bear is drinking Cody's water. Cody's very impressed. Cody's very impressed with that. Yeah, big day. He went for 2 walks, okay?
His mom says he's a lounger.
He's a lounger dog. He is older dog. He does really well for his age.
He does.
All right, that's it, you guys. I won't blend it here on camera because that's just loud noise that you guys don't need to hear. But maybe we'll post a picture and then we'll post the recipe for this one too.
Oh, good idea.
Thanks for tuning in.
Have a great day, everyone.